Yeah, hi Vitalis. I hope you're doing good. So today we want to solve another problem on HackerRank, and the problem is the problem of gemstones. So I'll read through the question and then we can find a solution to this problem. We're going to solve this with JavaScript. So the question says there's a collection of rocks where each rock has various minerals embedded in it. Each type of mineral is designated by a lowercase letter in the range ASCII, that is from A to Z. There may be multiple occurrences of a mineral in a rock. A mineral is called a gemstone if it occurs at least once in each of the rocks in the collection. Given a list of minerals embedded in each of the rocks, display the number of types of gemstones in the collection. Okay, so we have a very simple example here. There's an array and we have ABC, ABC and BC. So all these are different rocks, and it says that the minerals B and C appear in each of the rocks. So it appears here, it appears here, B and C also appears here, and so B and C are gemstones. So this, I think this makes it very clear. We have other examples here. I'll skip through all this these details. We have sample input, and over here we also have an array with the size of 3, that is this and that. And the problem is that when we go through all of this, we find that A and B occurs in each rock, A and B. So we are going to return 2, because when you count the gemstones, that is A and B, we get 2, just like the example we saw earlier. So this is an interesting problem, and we are going to solve this problem with JavaScript. So we're going to solve this problem here. Alright, so the first thing that we should do to solve this problem is we are going to be given an array, and then what we'll do is that because there are different arrays and we want to check whether gemstones are occurring in each and every rock. A rock is like an array, so what we'll do is that we will first of all join the array so that we have everything together. Then when we have everything together, then we get the unique, or the unique values. So for example, if we take this one and then we put everything together, if we use the method of set, we can get the unique values here. Then when we get the unique values, the only thing we have to do now is to check whether those unique values, which of them appears in each and every one of the pieces, or the rocks. So when we do that, then we return just the length of our new array. So let's put this in writing. So the first thing I want to do here is I'll have a new array. So let me say, so let's new array give us the array that we've been given, then we join this array. So this array is this new array is an array of all the different rocks with the different gemstones, if there are, and then we've joined everything together. Now we will have a new array that we'll call unique unique, let me just call it unique letters. Okay, so unique letters, and then we use the method of sets. So with the method of set, we just do this. So we say new set, and then the new set will be for this new array that we've created, just like this. So this is going to give us an array of unique letters occurring in this new array. Then the only thing we have to do now is to filter. So we use a filter method, and then we check whether each of the letters appears in this array. So how we're going to do this is let's say we call it results. Okay, then we say unique letters, that is this array. We want to filter this array, so unique letters filter. So we use the filter method, and when we use the filter method, we can then say that let's just call each of the letters, or we can just call a letter. So letter, and then for every letter we are going to check this array and see whether it occurs in every rock. So what we are going to do here is we do array, then we use another method called every. So we are checking whether in every one of the rocks this letter appears. So we do array.every, then it's also the same thing. Then we can call this rock. So we are checking every rock. Then we are checking if every rock so we are checking if every rock includes so includes letter. Okay, just like this, includes letter, just like this. So this is an easy way to get to filter and then get the unique letters that are appearing in each and every rock. So after we do this, we can just return, because this result is going to be an array. We are just going to return result dot length, like this, because we are to return the, just like what we were doing here, we have to return the length of the gemstones that we find. So this filter method is going to put all the gemstones in this array. We find the length, and let's run this and see if this problem is solved. So I'm running this. Okay, yes, so this problem has been solved. Let's use all the test cases and make sure everything is passing here. Yes, everything has passed. So this is a very simple solution to the problem of gemstones. All right, thanks for solving this together.